One faceless YouTube Shorts channel is making over $300,000 a month using only AI tools? No filming, no talking, no editing, just a repeatable system you can copy right now. Their first video exploded to 30 million views. Now they're pulling in hundreds of millions of views with simple, smart AI automation. And the best part? You don't need a team, budget, or experience. In this video, I'll break down the exact blueprint that's making this channel rich, step by step. We'll go over both paid and free methods to build, grow, and monetize your AI-powered YouTube Shorts channel from scratch. Let's get into it and unlock the full power of AI for YouTube in 2025. Short-form content is dominating YouTube in 2025. It's fast, addictive, and now monetized like never before. With RPMs hitting up to 60 cents per 1,000 views, creators are stacking thousands with just a few million views. Here's the kicker. YouTube is pushing Shorts hard. Even brand new channels are getting insane reach. That means your chance to grow fast, without a face, voice, or budget, is right now. And thanks to AI, creating viral videos is faster and cheaper than ever. So if you've been waiting for a sign to start your YouTube channel, this is it. Let me show you how. Before you create anything, you need the right niche. One that's proven to go viral with Shorts and works well with AI. Start by looking at 3 viral categories. Motivational stories. Think rags to riches tales, success tips, emotional animal rescues. These hit emotions and explode on Shorts. AI storytelling. Use ChatGPT to write gripping micro-stories with twists, morals, or funny endings. Then visualize them with AI tools. Celebrity drama or fun facts. Fast-paced visual breakdowns of trending people, shows, or weird facts. They work wonders. Once you pick your angle, research your competitors. Look for channels pulling in millions of views and reverse engineer their titles, thumbnails, and style. Then ask ChatGPT, give me 10 viral YouTube Shorts ideas for your niche. Write short 45-second scripts with hooks and punchlines. Within minutes, you'll have a list of content ideas proven to perform, without any guesswork. Your niche isn't just what you post, it's what makes people stop scrolling. Choose smart and build from there. Time to build your foundation. This step is quick, but it matters more than you think. Step 1. Channel branding. Use ChatGPT to generate a catchy, clickable channel name. Example, Mind Tales or Next Shorts. Then, ask it for a bio that includes keywords like AI stories, YouTube Shorts, and your niche. Step 2. Logo and banner. Use Leonardo AI or Canva to create a clean, minimal logo. Tip. Use a 1-to-1 ratio for Shorts-friendly branding. Need a prompt? Ask ChatGPT. Give me a Leonardo AI prompt for a modern storytelling logo. Step 3. Voice and style. Are you doing fast storytelling with suspenseful music or calm facts with animations? Lock in your vibe early and keep it consistent. Step 4. Tool setup. Sign up for VexSub or PicLumen for visuals and Kling AI or CapCut for edits. You don't need them all. We'll break down both free and paid options next. Remember, your goal isn't perfection. It's clarity, consistency, and scroll-stopping visuals. Once this setup is done, you're ready to create viral content. If you're brand new and don't want to spend a dime, here's the free method that's already creating 6-figure channels. Step 1. Script with ChatGPT. Prompt it. Write 10 motivational animal rescue stories under 45 seconds with hooks. Edit a few lines for pacing, and you're done. Step 2. Visuals with PicLumen. Use the realistic V2 model to generate 9x16 images that match your story. Upload your script and generate visuals for each scene. Step 3. Animate with Kling AI. Upload your images and use motion prompts like pan left, zoom in, shake for suspense. You'll instantly get smooth animated shorts, no editing needed. Step 4. Final touches in CapCut. Trim, crop and scale to 110% to remove logos or watermarks. Add royalty-free sound effects from Pixabay and fast transitions to boost retention. This is perfect for beginners with zero skills or budget. And yes, This method has already led to channels with millions of views. Consistency beats perfection. Start simple, then scale smart. Let's walk through your first viral short using the paid method for faster results. Step 1. Viral script with ChatGPT. Prompt it. Give me 5 viral YouTube Shorts ideas in the mind-blowing facts niche with hooks. Then say, turn idea number 3 into a 45-second video script with punchlines and cliffhanger ending. Step 2. Create visuals with VecSub paste your script into VecSub. Choose a vertical format and let it auto-generate the video. Customize subtitles, choose a bold font, and pick a trending background track.
That's because your brain cheats. It deletes the blackout and fills in the gaps. It constructs.
Step 3. Polish inside VecSub ad. Cuts every 2 to 3 seconds. Insert visual zooms or flashes to boost retention. And choose scroll-stopping thumbnail frames. Step 4. AI voice, optional. VecSub offers AI voices, or you can use 11 Labs for more natural tones. The goal here is speed plus quality. And thanks to tools like VecSub, you'll go from idea to publish-ready video in under 30 minutes. This method isn't just faster. It looks professional right from day one. Once you post that first short, you've officially joined the AI YouTube revolution. Your video is ready. Now it's time to make sure it performs. Title and description use ChatGPT to generate 3 viral titles based on your script. Example prompt: write viral YouTube Shorts titles for a story about a millionaire dog. Hashtags. Use 3 to 5 optimized tags like YouTube Shorts, AI Shorts, make money online, motivation, viral video, thumbnail. Even for shorts, thumbnails help CTR. Grab the most dramatic frame and overlay bold text like, "You won't believe this." Scheduling post at peak hours, 9 a.m. or 6 p.m. in your target country. Start daily, then increase as your system scales. Retention hack. Use curiosity gaps. Cut mid-sentence, ask questions, or start with a mystery. Anything that keeps them watching till the end. Analytics check your top-performing shorts weekly. Then, double down. Upload with intention, not guesswork. And you'll build momentum fast. YouTube Shorts are finally monetizable, and RPMs are climbing. You can earn from YouTube Partner Program. Post 1 minute plus shorts. Brand deals in DMs. Affiliate links in pinned comments. Merch with Printify or Spring more views, equal more options. Start now and scale as your channel grows. This method works, but only if you stay consistent. You don't need to go viral overnight. You need to show up, learn, tweak, and repeat. Treat your channel like a machine. Prompts in, videos out. Test, track, improve. Most people fail because they quit before the system kicks in. But the channels that win in 2025, they post daily. They trust the process, and they use AI as leverage, not a shortcut. Start with one short, then another, and another. 6 months from now, your channel could be pulling in thousands, even if you never show your face. You've got the tools, you've got the blueprint. Now go build the channel. If this guide helped, smash that like button and hit subscribe. I drop weekly videos on YouTube automation and AI monetization. All tools and prompts are linked below. So stop scrolling, start creating. And I'll see you on the inside of the next viral channel. Let's make this your year.